another episode of Sarah Meets the World. As you all know that in this channel, I have talked to Pakistani expats and listened to their stories. So today I have a wonderful guest with me. He is somebody who's quite multi-talented. Actually, he's a musician. He's a chartered accountant. He did so many things. He's got a recording studio as well. He's an entrepreneur. And whatnot. So a very, very loving and dynamic personality he has. Without further ado, let's welcome Imad Khan. Hi Imad, how are you doing?
Hi Sarah.
Good to see you after such a long time. How have you been?
I am doing awesome and great. You look great as always.
Thank you. You too. So you're in a different country as always traveling, always busy here and there, out and about.
Yeah. I'm in Saudi Arabia.
Oh, surprising.
We're touching the border of Jordan and Egypt.
Oh wow, that's amazing.
Yeah.
Why don't you turn yourself into a travel blogger, a proper travel blogger, traveling in different countries and blogging about them? Just an idea.
I am been blogging, but not just coming on screen. I don't want to give you a competition.
You will be a big competition for me, maybe in the future. Acha, so Imad, I've just started this channel, and in this channel, which is being called Sarah Meets the World, so I'll be talking to Pakistani expats, who are Pakistani natives, but now living in different countries. So we can talk to them and have their opinion about the kind of experiences that they've been having. So since you've been living in Dubai from quite some time. So just briefly tell us about your experience, after moving from Pakistan to Dubai, and how has the overall experience been so far living in Dubai, all about that.
Sure. So Sarah, मुझे तकरीबन 8-9 साल हो गए. It's been 8 years I'm living in UAE. And originally I belong from Pakistan. Made in Pakistan, from Karachi. Yeah. And life is great in UAE. I always tell मैं लोगों को ये बोलता हूँ, it's a land of opportunities, and it's a land of dreamers. It's a place for people with big dreams. And बहुत ही peaceful जगह है, और I'm really loving it. It's been quite a journey for me.
So that's great. So how is the country overall different from Pakistan?
So comparing to Pakistan, there is no comparison to Pakistan, honestly. What we have in Pakistan, many countries are, I would say, जो Pakistan का nature है, the real feeler is more of nothing is man-made. Mostly it's the real. Like if I'm sitting in, can you see the mountains behind me?
Yes.
So this is all God's creation,
Okay.
So Pakistan भी ऐसा ही है, बहुत खूबसूरत है. But UAE, a lot of places in UAE has been man-made, and they're extremely beautiful. But I like more of a nature. I'm more of a nature person. I like ऐसा feeler जहाँ का. That is why if I say कि living a life in UAE comparing to a Pakistan, why I like, because the journey is very close. It's just 2 hours flight. बहुत करीब है. कभी भी प्लेन में बैठे हैं ऐसे नहीं, आप गुलशन से डिफेंस जा रहे हैं, बिल्कुल ऐसा. 1-2 घंटे तो ट्रैफिक में लग जाते हैं. अपने बैग्स लिए, चेक इन किया और आगे पाकिस्तान.
Wow, that's great. I think that's the best part about being in Dubai. It's very close to Pakistan, so you don't have to really plan something. कभी plan करेंगे traveling के.
True.
So बहुत जल्दी होता है.
True.
So for how long have you been living in Dubai now?
अभी मुझे हो गए 8-9 साल हो गए. It's been 8-9 years.
Great. So tell me, what do you miss about Pakistan? क्या सबसे ज़्यादा क्या चीज़ें miss करते हैं?
Pakistani food. So I want to tell all your viewers that I'm married to a Bangladeshi girl. मेरा पूरा ससुराल बांग्लादेश से है, all living in UAE, and I miss the most is the taste of Pakistani food.
Oh.
Yeah.
So you don't find such kind of food in Dubai? उतना अच्छा नहीं होता वहाँ का खाना?
There are, लेकिन आपको पता ना कि हमारे अम्मी के हाथ के और हमारे कराची की जो वो स्ट्रीट फूड की जो बात है वो कुछ और है. वो अभी तक मैंने नहीं देखी. मैंने बहुत से लोग आए, बहुत से रेस्टोरेंट्स आए जिन्होंने दावा किया कि हम आपको ये टेस्ट देंगे, बट स्टिल यू नो व्हाट वी कैन सी, व्हाट वी कैन हैव द ऑप्शंस, जैसे बंच रोड हो गया, हमारा साबरी की निहारी हो गई, बोर्ड बेसन हो गया.
यस.
सो बहुत ही डिफरेंट फील है वहाँ का.
Anything apart from food that you miss about Pakistan? Because obviously it's been so long that you've left the country. So और कुछ और ऐसी चीज खाने के अलावा जो आप मिस करते हो? Maybe your family here, yeah, maybe your friends, you know, school, college के friends, university. What else? What else do you miss about Pakistan?
बहुत सारी चीजें. Yes, my family, my nani is there, my khala, my mom, they all are there in Karachi. I miss them a lot. But अच्छी बात ये है सारा that I'm not bound with anything. If I miss them, I can cut off my ticket and meet them. You know, and UAE में रहने के बाद मुझे ये पता चला कि eventually the things which I'm, you know, of course, mom chose to stay there because my nanny is there and all. And I miss my friends. Yes, I miss my musician friends. I miss my production ke friends. But I also believe that wherever you go in the world, you evolve. आप change होते हो, आपका environment change होता है, आपका circle change होता है, and you have to. I'm living my life in 3 principles, which I've learned from one of my mentor, and he always says 3 A's. You know, adopt, adjust, accommodate.
Wow.
Yeah,
that's a beautiful thought. I think that will help our viewers as well a lot. So any message for all those people who are planning to move to Dubai from Pakistan? उन लोगों के लिए कोई मैसेज, उनको शुरू में कुछ प्रॉब्लम्स चैलेंजेस फेस करने हो अगर, तो उस पे कोई टिप्स देना चाहेंगे?
Yes, बिल्कुल. Because जब मैं पाकिस्तान मूव कर रहा था, मुझे अभी भी याद है, I was very homesick initially.
Yeah.
First couple of months. But I learned the battle. I fought the battle. I did not give up. I wanted to stay, and I wanted to challenge myself. कि what is my capacity? मैं कितना उसमें आगे grow कर सकता हूँ? मैं सबको ये मैसेज दूंगा कि प्लीज इतनी जल्दी हार ना माने. आप लोग आते हैं अगर कहीं भी, not only UAE, if you planning to leave Pakistan, move for the betterment of Pakistan, so that whatever you are learning from western part of the world, bring it back to Pakistan. So I did not leave Pakistan कि बस उसको साइड में कर दिया और बाहर. I left Pakistan so that whatever I am making in UAE, I want to bring it back to Pakistan. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
तो ये मैसेज है कि बहुत खूबसूरत जगह है दुबई. If you're a big dreamer, please आप लोग आए, वहाँ रहें. आपको चैलेंजेस आएंगे, सबको आते हैं, मुझे भी आए थे और बहुत मुश्किल हुआ था शुरू में एडजस्ट होना. बट अगेन मैंने हार नहीं मानी और मैं वापस नहीं गया और मजा आया. दैट्स द जर्नी. उसके साथ जो है इवेंचुअली आई लर्न टू लिव अ लाइफ इंडिपेंडेंटली, और बहुत ही एक डिफरेंट एक्सपीरियंस था मेरा.
Okay, thank you so much, Ahmad, for your lovely messages and lovely tips. I'm sure the viewers can learn a lot from this session. Okay, now we have a little surprise. We have a quick rapid fire round. So this is just to get to know you better, and let's see how spontaneous you can get. So I'll just start with this rapid fire. You know the drill. I'll just put up questions, and you have to answer them very quickly, like rapid and full of
very
fire.
quickly, like
Yes.
like 1-2 minute का time ले सकता हूँ मैं?
No, like just a second or two max. Okay, it's very simple, very easy. I'm sure कुछ answers तो आपके tips पर होंगे already. So your favorite destination?
That's a tough one.
The first place that comes to your
Malaysia.
mind.
Penang Island.
Ah, wow, beautiful place.
Yeah.
Okay, your favorite color?
Black.
Tea or coffee?
Chai. Kadak chai.
Okay, black or white?
White.
Okay, but you said black. And your favorite color question?
हाँ नहीं आप चाय का पूछ रहे थे ना?
Okay, नहीं
Like
उसके
black
बाद.
tea या white?
No.
नहीं मैंने कहा white milk वाली दूध वाली चाय black tea.
Okay, that's right. Your favorite movie?
बहुत सारी हैं.
The best one, the one that you cannot stop watching.
Interception.
Great. Okay, bicycle or car?
यार bicycle में बहुत गिरा हूँ मैं, चोटें बहुत लगी हैं. I would want to go with the car now.
Okay, America or Canada?
None.
Okay, your favorite TV show?
Money Heist.
High five. Same here. Okay, next one is mountains or beaches?
Oh, definitely mountains. As you can
Okay.
see behind.
In the background, yes. Okay, a woman who inspires you.
A woman who inspires me.
Yes.
Yes, there are a lot of women.
Mm.
There are two major women in my life that inspires me a lot.
Okay, you can name them both.
Sharfun Sheikh and Charu Shonek.
Oh, amazing. Gladly I know both of them, but I want to know them better. Okay, one word for Pakistan.
Live long Pakistan.
Not one, but okay. Long live.
Long.
Okay, do you want to come back to Pakistan? Just a yes or no.
Yes.
Okay, great. Your favorite song?
Adat.
Amazing. That was a quick one. Okay, describe yourself in 3 words.
बहुत मुश्किल है. I'm sexy and I know it.
2 more words. Or are we done? Okay.
Wiggle. पूरा गाना है.
Okay, your best friend's name?
Shahinoor.
Amazing. Your favorite place in Pakistan?
Karachi.
Great. Your favorite place in the world?
Dubai.
Your favorite food?
Hari kadai. Peshawari kadai.
Oh, amazing. Describe life in 1 word.
Abundance.
Abundance, yes. Okay, your backup career option.
Backup career option. I don't do any backups. I just go with the flow.
Great. Fair enough. And last but not the least, your dream job.
Music.
Great. That's a great one. And now I'm done with all my questions. So thank you once again, Imad, for joining us. It was lovely having you. It was fun filled. I enjoyed myself. I hope our viewers would also be enjoying this session.
I really enjoyed. मुझे भी बहुत मजा आया. Thank you for having me.
Thank you so much.
It was really fun. मुझे बहुत ही एक ऐसी उसमें डाल दिया आपने question and answers में कि मैं बहुत घबरा गया था.
No, but yes. Your answers are amazing. Like I said, rapid and full of fire. Challenge, great.
Full of fire, yes.
Challenge. Thank you so much once again, and I hope to meet you very soon, inshallah. Challenge. All right. Bye bye.
Inshallah. Thank you, Sarah. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz. Hi guys, welcome to another episode of Sarah Meets the World. If you really like this segment and if you enjoy these conversations that I have with Pakistani expats, please do drop a comment or subscribe to my channel so I can work on it more and, make more episodes, because the whole idea is talk to Pakistanis living all over the world, and we would love to hear their stories. What are the challenges they're facing? What kind of a lifestyle do they have? So it's a very interesting segment, but of course I need my viewers' opinion and their support to make more episodes. So let me know how you like this session, how you like this episode, and if there's something that you don't like about it, do mention that. I'll definitely work on it. Thank you.